we want to interview the seller of UMKM, and then we are from Group 8 and
RS class.
R2S class.
Yes.
And before it, let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Wada with NPM 2025 43 500515.
Next to me, my name is Muhammad Rifkiara Saputra with NPM to 2025 435 00950. And next,
my name is Maulana Zadir Larsi, NPM 2025 43 500 984.
So this is our interview with the seller of UMKM. And then we want to interview the seller of UMKM. The first one is Jija's store and Bamboy noodle chicken. And then the last is ketoprak.
Ketoprak Bismillah.
Ketoprak Bismillah. And then the location is Depok, Juanda.
Let's back to the video. Set.
Itu sudah.
Kita ngapain nih?
Kita bingung lagi gue jawab. Kita lagi wawancara guys.
Wawancara.
Kita lagi wawancara. Belum selesai
Wawancara
ngomong.
Bapak Bakso. Oke, good evening, Bapak. Selamat sore. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to be here today. Terima kasih telah memberikan saya kesempatan untuk hadir di sore hari ini. Before it, introduce myself. My name is Anissa, and I appreciate your time. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anissa. Saya menghargai waktu Bapak yang telah Bapak luangkan untuk kami. And then I'm very happy to be here and look forward to answering your questions. Saya senang bisa berada di sini dan siap menjawab pertanyaan yang akan diberikan. Yeah. For the first one is what's your name? Siapa nama Bapak?
Bapak Arif.
Bapak Arif.
Ya.
Okay. And where do you live? Di mana Bapak tinggal?
Aslinya tinggalnya di
Iya.
Bogor.
Originally
Di,
from
di sini usaha maksudnya. Ini apa?
Usaha.
di sini usaha aja.
Kalau tempat tinggal aslinya Bogor.
Okay. Then when did you start this business? Kapan mulai berdagang?
Kurang lebih 2020.
2020. In this business, di bisnis ini?
Iya, di bakso.
Iya.
Maksudnya saya usaha sendiri 2020, tadinya ikut orang.
Oh, I see.
Maksudnya mulai usaha sendiri tahun 2020.
Okay. Why did you choose to sell this product? Kenapa memilih berdagang bakso ini?
Ya memang udah apa namanya pegangan saya ya. Jadi udah pegangan saya di usaha bakso kan. Nah, jadi saya terusin di usaha bakso. Ya.
And five, do you enjoy selling the product? Apakah kamu enjoy di jualan ini?
Alhamdulillah enjoy.
Enjoy.
Enjoy menekuni gitu.
How is your income? Does it meet your daily needs? Bagaimana penghasilannya? Apakah memenuhi kebutuhan sehari-hari?
Ya kalau penghasilan kadang ya ada lebih, ada kurang, kadang ya kadang mambokin ya kan. Namanya usaha kan nggak mesti di atas terus ya kan. Iya, bergelombang gitu lah.
And have you ever experienced any losses? Apakah Anda pernah mengalami kerugian?
Ya kalau kerugian pasti ada gitu. Namanya usaha ya kan, kerugian terus ya apa namanya, pendapatan lebih juga ada gitu. Namanya usaha pasti ada kerugian.
The next question. What do you think is the biggest challenge of running a business? Apakah tantangan berdagang menurut Bapak?
Tantangannya apa ya? Maksudnya apa tuh? Ya mungkin di bahan, di apa? Melambungnya harga bahan-bahan pokok itu. Nah, jadi tantangannya memang itu.
Tapi ngaruh nggak?
Ya, ngaruh.
Okay. How do you recover from your loss? Bagaimana cara Bapak menutupi kerugian dari bisnis ini?
Menutupinya ya apa? Mengisi pengeluaran. Jadi sedikit bisa menutupi. Jadi mengurangi pengeluaran yang besar. Jadi bisa menutupi gitu.
Okay, the last question. During your time as seller, what have you gained from the profit of your business? Selama berjualan, apa yang sudah Bapak dapetin dari keuntungan dagang?
Maksudnya buat beli gitu ya?
Iya.
Ya, yang didapetin ya buat beli rumah, buat bikin rumah gitu kan? Iya, buat beli apa kendaraan gitu. Udah.
Tapi
Itu aja. Mungkin ya yang lainnya kan buat apa, gaji karyawan ya kan. Gitu. Apalagi
this enough. Cukup untuk pertanyaannya.
Iya.
Terima kasih Bapak udah menyempatkan
Iya,
waktu
sama-sama.
Bapak.
Sama-sama.
Asal gini. Next to the video.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Rifki Arya Saputra. Today I will do an interview assessment in Warung Mama Jija. Welcome, my name is Muhammad Rifki Arya Saputra. Today I will assign interview. First time, what's your name?
My name is Ara.
My name is Ara. Next, where do you like?
I work in Depok. Sini.
When did you start this business?
I start this business in 2025.
2020. Why did you choose to sell this product?
I choose to sell this product because it is popular.
Do you enjoy selling this product?
Yes, I really enjoy selling because I can meet many customers and gain experience.
How is your income? Does it meet your daily needs?
Thankfully, the income is enough to cover my daily needs, although it sometimes goes up and down.
Okay. Have you ever experienced any loss?
Yes, I have experienced losses when my products did not sell out or were damaged.
Next, what do you think is the biggest challenge of running business?
The biggest challenge is the intense competition and the inconsistent number of customers.
How do you recover from your losses?
I recover from losses by reducing expense, increasing promotion, and improving the quality of my service.
Last, during your time as a seller, what have you gained from the profit over your business?
From the profit of my business, I have been able to support my family, save money, and expand my business.
Whatever you sell in this, apa saja yang kakak jual di sini?
Ya,
Pasti minuman.
mungkin maybe drinks and food.
Food.
Indonesian food is seblak.
Oh, seblak.
Yes.
Okay, I think enough. Thank you for your interview. Kau dan dia pemenangnya. Oke guys, ini kita akan interview
Kok kayak gelap banget gitu nya?
tukang motor orang, bos. Ketoprak. Kita lagi ada di daerah Depok. Jatuhnya Jalan Proklamasi.
Okay, what's your name, Kak?
My name is Anna Latifah.
Where do you live?
I live in Depok.
When did you start this business?
I got to sell sport because it's popular and cost is important.
Why did you choose the sell this product?
Yes, I really enjoy selling because it makes very customer expression.
Do you enjoy selling this product?
Yes,
How is your income?
thankfully it is important for communication and something to about.
Have you ever experienced any loss?
Yes, I have experienced loss when my project didn't sell all the time.
What do you think is the biggest challenge of running a business?
The business challenge is the its combination and the increasing number of customers.
How do you recover from your loss?
Therefore, from customer expansion, increasing profit and improving with all the services.
During your time, as a seller, what do you have you gain from the profit of your business?
From the profit of my business, I have been able to support my family, save money, and expand business.
Okay, dan thank you, Kak.